Hi everyone, Shuzafat Bless here from Tradable Online Services, and I'll be taking on that session of ICT concepts. All right, and today we're speaking about Michael J. Huddlestone. All right, and before we go there, please ensure you smash that subscribe and like button below, and in order to get more contents and resources from us. All right, and do well to check our website as well to have more information on what we are and what we do, all right, and our courses and how best they could add to your profitability on the forex market. All right, so before moving on, you have our risk warning, and ensure you please pause the video, take a good look at that, and ensure you fully understand what you're doing before you proceed. And you continue to watch this video as an indication you fully agree to the terms and conditions as stated above. All right, very important. So today, 6 things that you didn't know about Michael J. Huddlestone. All right, so let's get to it. The first one is that he was a price action trader, all right, with over 20 years of experience in the market. So this guy was not a small boy, as you'd agree with me. All right, he worked different jobs just like every one of us. All right, he had a story before he got into the market, and that included him. That includes him working different jobs at that time. All right, even one of them as a vendor where he earned over $183 per week, and this was just the early days before he got into the market. All right, it's very important. So he was introduced into trading by his uncle, who was a commodity trader and had the family's highest net worth. All right, so if you are like Michael J. Huddlestone that had a family member introduced into the market, I mean, you're pretty lucky. All right, very, very important. So if you just know how to learn how to use this skill set to your advantage, you could change your life forever. All right, so kudos to anyone that introduced any of their family members to trading. All right, so yeah. His mentors were Larry Williams and Chris Laurie. All right, so he had mentors as well. Very, very important there. All right, and once in his life also he almost lost it all due to poor risk management and over leveraging, right, which can happen to anyone. All right, it doesn't matter how profitable you are, you could always lose it all due to poor risk management and over leveraging. All right, very, very, very important. So what are the key things that we can actually draft out from his lesson? All right, the first thing is that, all right, first, it's not for the lazy. It's not for the lazy at all, because it's a skill, and just like every skill, you need to work on it and to ensure you give it your shot, all right, the best you have, and ensure that you are not taking it lightly. Consistency, it takes commitment, it takes dedication, all right, to ensure that that skill actually takes you to the next level, to ensure that that skill actually gets you somewhere in life. So you need to focus on it, and just like someone once said, whatever you pay attention to grows. All right, very, very important. All right, I like the second point as well. It takes time and commitment to become consistently profitable on the market. And just like you see here, it took this guy about 6 years to be a consistent and profitable trader. 6 years. That's to tell you that it does not happen in a day. All right, and what are the things that he did? He had mentors. He had 2 mentors for that matter. All right, he was introduced to trading. All right, he had a training process. He had mentors. All right, and it still took time, all right, for him to attain that consistency level of profitability. So that's to tell you all that it's not an overnight get rich quick scheme kind of thing. All right, it's it's a business, all right, and you need to treat it like a business. Just like in the third point there says, if you treat it like a business, to pay you like a CEO, and that's one of my favorite slogans. So please ensure that you fully come into agreement, all right, first of all with yourself, all right, and also if you are taking a trading course, or you're already trading, all right, ensure you come into agreement with yourself and with whatever efforts you're making to become a consistently profitable trader, that it takes time, it takes commitment, and it takes dedication. All right, very, very important. Get your focus on track. All right, commit to yourself. When we speak about commitment in this case, all right, for example, you have the US session coming up by 2 p.m. all right, a very committed and dedicated trader would actually ensure that he's on the market during the London session, to ensure that he prepares for the US session coming up. All right, so those are a few things that we mean when we speak about commitments, all right, and all. So if you treat it like a business, to pay you like a CEO. And just like my favorite quotes here. It says, Forex is a game in which only those who play according to the rules may win. So ensure you play according to the rules. All right, there are trading rules in every single strategy. There are trading rules even in the forex market itself. All right, so ensure you get a trading course. All right, ensure you have your rules clearly mapped out, all right, of the strategies you're trading, and ensure you stick to those systems that you have created to ensure you get to your profitable stage. All right, and making it very consistent as a profitability stage of your trading journey. Very, very important. So please, you do not have a trading system, you are pretty lost about the whole trading scenario and the whole thing about trading forex. All right, and derivatives as well. You could check www.tradingpolo.com for more information about that, as we proceed. So thank you very much for following us on this video. I'm pretty happy to have been able to explain a few things to you about Michael J. Huddlestone, and a few things that we could learn from that as well. Do want to check our website, and also you could contact us via the mail and the number as stated there. So thank you very much.